Space-saving organizer. Under-sink sliding shelf with two-tier sliding wire drawer, can solve your cabinet storage troubles, enlarge the limited sink space. In addition, our pull-out cabinet organizer supports left and right installation, adjustable direction, effectively avoiding water pipes. Multi-purpose organizer. You will never imagine that our sliding shelf has so many uses. In addition to the sink cabinet, it is also suitable for the kitchen, tidying up pots, pans, spice racks. It's suitable for bathrooms and laundry rooms, organizing cleaning supplies, etc. The tray is removable and washable, give you a tidy home. Stability construction. The kitchen cabinet sliding out shelf is engineered with a ball bearing system so the slide out will be smooth. The unique vertical guide rail can provide better load bearing. You can enjoy the tidy cabinets. Easy to install. Our pull-out home cabinet organizer contains detailed instructions and all of the hardware necessary for easy installation and removal. Simplified cumbersome installation steps, no need to measure, the installation can be completed in a few minutes. The slide rails and the bottom basket are fixed with card slots so they can be disassembled at any time. Shelf size. 11.33 W by 16.53 D by 13.23 inch, fit for at least 13-inch cabinet opening. Chrome plated to prevent scratching the surface. Simple and low-key color, can match all styles of cabinets. Suitable for all family styles. Top reviews from the United States. Bought for $14.75 with hinge opening. I ordered this for an 18 cabinet with a front frame opening of 14.75 with hinges. I was worried it wouldn't fit, but at least I could use it in my 32 cabinet if need be. I also have a 1/4 lip on my cabinets at the bottom. I was worried the drawer pulls wouldn't clear and I would have to elevate it a bit. Nope, clears perfectly. Well, it fits the 14.75, with hinges, opening just fine with about 3/4 on each side. I needed a spice rack that fit more than a few bottles. I have a lot of spices coming with my movers soon. This thing is perfect. Very sturdy. Easy to put together. Don't snap in your top shelf until after you screw it into your cabinet or you won't be able to reach in. Will be ordering more for the rest of my cabinets now that I've seen how great these are.